Today, I'll show you how to buy SpaceX stock from Canada. SpaceX went public on June 12, 2026, and now trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol SPCX. To buy it, we'll use Moomoo Canada, a low-fee online broker that gives Canadian investors access to US stocks like SpaceX. Click the link in the description below to follow along. I'll walk you through the sign-up and order process step by step. New users who fund their Moomoo account may be eligible to receive up to $1,000 worth of free NVIDIA stock. Once you click the link, it will take you to this page. Open the Moomoo Canada sign-up page and click Get Started. Enter your email address or mobile number, create a password, and complete the verification code process. Complete the identity verification process by uploading the required government-issued ID and taking a selfie if requested. Review and accept the account agreements and disclosures, then submit your application. Once everything is completed, your account status should show as under review while Moomoo processes the approval. Once your account is approved, you can deposit funds through the Moomoo app or website. Navigate to the Accounts section and select Deposit. Choose your preferred funding method and link your Canadian bank account if you have not already done so. Enter the amount you wish to deposit in Canadian dollars, review the details, and confirm the transfer. After the deposit is submitted, monitor your account for confirmation that the funds have arrived and are available for trading. For Canadian investors, deposits are usually made in Canadian dollars. Since the US-listed SpaceX stock trades in USD on the Nasdaq, you may need to convert CAD into USD before placing your order. After funding your account, search for SPCX. This part is important. SpaceX may appear as both a US-listed Nasdaq stock and a Canadian-listed CDR under the same ticker symbol, SPCX. Before buying, carefully confirm which security and market you're selecting. If you want the US-listed SpaceX stock, make sure you select SPCX on the Nasdaq. Click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and choose your order type. For SpaceX, you should use a limit order, especially around the IPO period. Large IPOs can be extremely volatile, and SpaceX may experience trading halts if the price moves too quickly. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. This gives you more control and helps avoid accidentally buying at a much higher price than expected. Even if the platform allows a market order, it may be rejected or cancelled because of trading restrictions around this listing. So for SpaceX, use a limit order only. Review your order details carefully. Double-check the ticker, exchange, currency, number of shares, and your limit price. Then, click Submit. If US markets are open, your order may be filled if SpaceX reaches your limit price. If the market is closed, your order will be queued and reviewed when trading resumes. US stock market hours are usually 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, which is the same time zone used in Toronto and New York. Also, options on SPCX were not available on the first day of trading. They were expected to begin on Tuesday, June 16th. For Canadian investors, you should also understand the tax side. If you sell SpaceX shares for a profit, capital gains tax may apply in Canada. Dividends from US stocks can also be subject to withholding tax, although SpaceX does not currently pay dividends. Finally, remember that SpaceX is still a high-risk stock. IPOs can be very volatile, and SpaceX trades at a premium valuation, so only invest money you're comfortable risking. So that's it. Buying SpaceX stock from Canada is as simple as opening a Moomoo Canada account, funding it, searching for SPCX, carefully choosing the Nasdaq listing, and placing a limit order. If you'd like to follow along and claim any available sign-up bonuses, check out the Moomoo link in the description below.